hope they stop. It was hurt. That was a weird hiccup. Oh, I wonder if you guys can hear how deep they are and stuff. I'm gonna try holding my breath. Usually when I start burping, that means that they're gonna stop soon. Hopefully. Ooh. Oh, wait, I forgot to hold my breath. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Okay, I'm gonna try. Ow. Alright. I just held my breath for over a minute and 30 seconds. Nice. Try doing that in the water. Oh, these swimmer's lungs. That's what these are, swimmer's lungs. Try doing that in the water, though. That's so much harder with all the water pressure. I think it might have stopped. I might be just jinxing it or saying it too soon, because after a while, they might just randomly stop, and then they just come back. But those are my hiccups. I had to take pills for those a little while back, because I had chronic, they're chronic, so they randomly pop up, and they're never going away, because the pills only somewhat help. So sometimes I took the pill, and then they'd come right after I took it. So I gotta live with them. They hurt. They sound crazy, as you could hear. and my longest time with them, like them occurring, was over an hour, and I was at the doctor's office when it happened. So yeah, I just thought you'd, I don't know why I'm recording this actually. I just wanted to hear it back myself and hear how crazy it would sound recorded, I guess. Anyway, that's it. Bye bye.